Luis Arraez is a Venezuelan professional baseball infielder currently with the Philadelphia Phillies of Major League Baseball. Arraez is widely regarded as one of the best contact hitters in the game, known for really striking out and consistently putting the ball in play. Luis signed with Minnesota Twins as an international free agent in November 2013. He worked his way through the minor league system, consistently posting high batting average across all levels before making his major league debut in 2019. Luis stands out for his classic pure hitter approach. He leads the majors in contact rate on pitches both inside and outside the strike zone, rarely striking out and regularly line driving hits to all fields, a trait that earned him his famous moniker. Arraez has represented Venezuela. He won gold at the 2012 under 15 Baseball World Championships. He played in the 2023 and 2026 World Baseball Classics, contributing multi-homer games in both tournaments. He traded mid-season in May 2024. He finished 2024 with a .314 average, securing a third consecutive batting title, the first player in MLB history to win three state titles with three different teams and again gained a triple crown pursuit. He recorded his 1,000th career hit in 2025. In 2023, he hit 354, became the first Marlins player to hit for the cycle, made the All-Star team as a starting second baseman, and won another Silver Slugger. He was the second modern-era player to win batting titles in both leagues. He established himself as a high-average contract hitter. In 2020, he won the American League batting title, earned his first All-Star selection, won a Silver Slugger award, and posted elite contact rates. His elite denied Aaron Judge a triple crown.